So what we read yesterday, first thing, these are the plates. Earth is divided into these plates. Earth is divided into these plates, right? And the plates are moving. Why they are moving? Because of the convection cell. Why convection cell is moving? Because of the density difference. Why density difference is happening? Because at some point older plate is getting again into the mantle and inner core of the earth, melting, and due to that melting it is again the lighter materials are separated from the heavier materials. Lighter materials are coming up and heavier materials are staying down. Now why this is happening? Because earth, the core of the earth or interiors of the earth are very warm. Now why they are warm? Because of the radioactive decays that happen under the earth's crust or in the interior of the earth. So always keep your Y's intact. In every event there is a Y, right? Now here you saw at this juncture two plates are moving away. At this juncture two plates are moving away. What I told you, if you look at this diagram, no matter whether you are standing at the crust of ocean or you are standing at the crust of continent, under the oceanic crust and under the continental crust, you will find same mantle, right? And below mantle there is core, outer core and inner core. And I told you that mantle is made up of olivine rocks. Mantle is made up of olivine rocks. This oceanic crust is made up of basaltic rocks. This oceanic crust is made up of basaltic rocks, and this continental crust is made up of andesitic rocks. Here is the table, right? Mantle is made up of olivine, and olivine rocks are heaviest. Olivine rocks are heaviest. Oceanic crust basalt. Basalt is lighter than olivine, and continental crust is made up of granite or andesite, which is made up of which are lightest. In your NCERT there is still the old concepts of Sial and Sima is given, which is now proven that they are not enough to substantiate the theory. So एल्युमिनियम, इसका रिलेशन ये है कि वो सियाल और सीमा के आधार पर ही पूरा इसको समझा रहे थे कि वो ग्रेनाइट एंडेसाइट नहीं, वो सियाल से बना है। फिर समझ में आया कि नहीं कॉन्टिनेंटल क्रस्ट में भी दो हिस्से हैं। अरे मतलब एक ग्रेनाइट और एक एंडेसाइट। दूसरा फिर ये हुआ कि बेसाल्ट में सिर्फ सीमा नहीं है, और बेसाल्ट में जो मटेरियल है, क्योंकि अगर आप सीमा और सियाल से चलोगे तो उसको एक्सप्लेन करना असंभव हो जाएगा कि हाउ सीमा इज कन्वर्टिंग इनटू सियाल। हाँ, तो इसलिए उसको उसको थ्योरी डिस्कार्ड कर दी गई है और अब इससे चल रहे हैं, ठीक है। तो कॉन्टिनेंटल क्रस्ट जो है इट इज मेड अप ऑफ ग्रेनाइट एंड andesite. So olivine is heaviest, basalt is lighter, andesite is lighter than basalt, and granite is lightest of them all, right? ठीक. Now if you come to this diagram again, at this juncture what is happening? Two plates are moving away. Why two plates are moving away? Because of the slab pull. Two plates are moving away because of the slab pull. Now listen to the words carefully. Geography GS paper 1 2016, there is a question on mantle plume. Now people did not know what is mantle plume because it is not given in the books. एनसीईआरटी में कभी कहीं पढ़ा है आपने मेंटल प्ल्यूम? मेंटल प्ल्यूम नहीं पढ़ा। अब जो भाई उसको नहीं पता, अब आपको ये पता मेंटल प्ल्यूम क्या होती है ये नहीं पता, मतलब एग्जैक्ट वर्ड, बट ये पता है आपको कि ये बाहर आ रही है और यही मेंटल प्ल्यूम है, यू डोंट नो दिस। So terminologies matter, right? So at this juncture what is happening, there is a slab pull. And why there is a slab pull? Because the plate beneath, the material beneath plate is pushing the plate. The lava which is rising up at this point, and at this point it is being divergent on both sides. It is diverging on both sides, and now this is putting slab pull on the plate above. This white मतलब white में जो भी कलर है, this is plate, right? And this material is pushing the plate. This is called slab pull. Due to the slab pull, what is happening? Your entire plate is diverging because on both sides there is a slab pull. So due to that, what will happen? Plates will move away from each other. But when the plates are moving away from each other, what will happen at this medium point? The lighter material will come up. Now this lighter material was nothing but olivine. And I told you one thing, that when olivine will come on the surface, it will turn into basalt. It will become lighter when it will come at the surface. Or you can say this entire thing was olivine, and the lighter part of olivine is coming up, and lighter part of olivine is basalt. That is easier to understand. All the mantle rocks are olivine, but here olivine is being melted and the lighter part of olivine is coming up. Lighter part of the olivine is coming up, which is basalt. And when basalt comes at this point, which is being called as ridge, and because this ridge, when it is in ocean, it is called mid-oceanic ridge. And at this ridge, what will happen? This olivine will come in form of basalt, and basalt is nothing but oceanic crust. So what will happen at this point? You will see that there is a new oceanic crust being formed. So these two plates are moving away, but at the center, constant new oceanic plate is being formed. Right? And when there is a new plate formed, again it will be pushed, and slowly it will become older and it will also go down. So at the mid-oceanic ridge, there is a constant, you can say, constant making of new oceanic plate. It means that at the MOR, mid-oceanic ridge, your new sea floor is being made, which you call sea floor spreading. सी फ्लोर स्प्रेडिंग, ठीक बात है, स्प्रेडिंग, ठीक, स्प्रेड हो रहा है ना सी फ्लोर यहाँ पर, ठीक है. एंड सेकेंड थिंग, द ओल्ड प्लेट इज बीइंग पुश्ड एंड हियर इट विल गो डाउन. सो इट विल गो डाउन एट ट्रेंच. ठीक, ट्रेंच इज नथिंग बट अ खाई, ठीक है, और लार्ज होल, राइट. सो now you need to understand one thing. These two plates are, when they are splitting, they are giving rise to the things from mantle. Thing in mantle is olivine. The lighter part of olivine will come up, and that is basalt. So what will come up in splitting of plate does not depend on what plates are splitting. Clearly listen to me. When two plates are splitting, what is coming up on the surface does not depend on which plates are splitting. ठीक, ये कॉन्टिनेंटल प्लेट होंगी तो भी नीचे से ओलिवाइन बाहर आएगा. If these plates will be oceanic plates, even then the olivine will come up in form of basalt. And if one plate is oceanic and other plate is basalt, even then the olivine will come up in the form of basalt. So anyhow, in any divergence, in any split, there will be new sea floor made. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
ठीक.
Sir, ये olivine में different type of rocks हैं.
टाइप ऑफ रॉक्स अभी आएंगे आगे. ठीक. एक फैमिली ऑफ रॉक्स है अदर देन टाइप ऑफ रॉक्स. दे हैव बेसिकली simplified the entire thing, because calling a rock that it is Sial was very stupid, because how can you say that a rock under the earth's crust will have only two components, and even if a third component is there even in minimum quantity, then how do you know that how strong that element is and what is the effect that it is exerting on the element of the on the property of the rock. So that is why they now say that it is a family of rock. Olivine is a family of rock. Basalt is a family of rock. Andesite is a family of rock. And granite is a family of rock. Now in olivine you will see all the things of basalt plus something extra. In basalt you will find all the things of the granite plus something extra. And in the andesite you will find all the things of the granites plus something extra. And you can say that granite is the purest or heaviest, lightest and very refined form. That is why it is lightest. All the impurities or all the heavier metals, heavier things, it's left.
तो सर मतलब जैसे हालांकि आप आगे पढ़ाओगे तो ये मेटामॉर्फिक रॉक्स वगैरह क्या होती हैं?
यही तो है और क्या है?
उन्हें ये मतलब नाम अलग-अलग.
Metamorphosis is a process that you are being changed into another rock. ठीक है ना? And these are the rocks that are being changed. When you say that a rock is igneous rock, so what does it mean? मतलब you are coming from inside and your form is changing.
तो अगर ब्रॉडली क्लासिफाई करें तो पहले मेटामॉर्फोसिस igneous और सेडिमेंट्री होगा और उसके नीचे बेसाल्टिक वगैरह है.
बिल्कुल. ठीक है, आगे. ऑनलाइन वालों, यहाँ तक कोई डाउट, कोई परेशानी, कोई समस्या, हैरानी, सांस का ना आना, भूख का ना लगना? एनी डाउट? चलिए, so no matter where a continental plate and continental plate is splitting, even there the new basalt will come up, which will be a sea floor. Now you need to see this. Send a picture of African Rift Valley. This is what happens when two continental plates diverge. Two continental plates are facing slab pull on each other on the opposite side, which means that one continental plate is being dragged on from the both sides. So there will be a tensile force, there will be some force, and due to that what will happen, at the point where the force is maximum, it will break, and when it will break, the whatever land is there, it will go down, right? And from there your new crust, because under this is mantle, so from mantle your basalt will start coming up and it will form this kind of new oceanic crust, and At this point, you know that new oceanic crust will keep coming and keep coming. So at this point, sea floor spreading will start, which will turn this small component, small rift, it can turn into an entire ocean. And for that, I showed you this diagram. Now this is how a continent is being broken. You can see this split, right? And this is what is happening in Africa. Now you think. Okay, think. You see, at this juncture, some time ago there will be one part of same continent, Arabian plate and African plate, right? Then they split, and here you can see now Red Sea. Maybe 10,000 years, after 10,000 years you will see that Red Sea will expand itself, because at this point the continuous sea floor will spread. Here you see that Africa is also breaking into parts, right? Because here is also the convection cell is active, and at this point both the part of plates are being dragged away from each other, and that is why you see lot of volcanism and volcanic lakes here. Lake Victoria, Lake Nyasa and Tanganyika. So when you look at the map of Africa and you see these lakes, Lake Turkana, Lake Malawi, Lake Tanganyika, Lake Victoria, and all these lakes are on the Rift Valley in Africa, either Eastern Rift Valley or Western Rift Valley. What is Rift Valley? When continent is breaking up. And why continent is breaking up? Because of the active convection cell. And what is the meaning of a continent breaking up? The landmass of the continent will split, and when the landmass will split, initially what will happen? You will feel tremors, you will see that the land will start submerging, and after that what will happen? There will be new sea floor that will come from the mantle. Olivine rocks will turn into the basaltic rocks, and you will see new water bodies, and then that water bodies will keep on expanding. And you can now imagine this Red Sea will, maybe 10,000 years ago, this Red Sea will be as small as Lake Victoria, but now it has expanded to this, right? Maybe from after 1 million years, this Lake Victoria will also become a Red Sea, right? So if you want to buy land here now. Plots are for sale, because after 20 million years there will be lot of gold here, and you will be new country, new island, and there is lot of minerals here due to the excessive volcanism. Because there are many volcanoes, and what volcanoes do? When there is explosion and volcanoes go silent, you see that there are craters. There are these big holes, and they give you exposure to the interiors of the earth, from where you can find lot of minerals. And all these minerals, gold, diamond, how they are formed? They are formed, these are at the end of the day formed due to the excessive churning of your core. What is a diamond? Form of carbon. How many of you know this? Right? So, and similarly, gold is also not exactly the form of carbon, but gold is made up of excessive metamorphosis, right? And these things are happening because, and so you get exposure to these things because of volcanism, right? So even today the situation in these countries are, there are small volcanoes active. I showed a video last year, I'll show now, okay? And you will see that small volcanoes are still active and the continent is actively being broken here, and the new crust, new life is germinated. This is same thing is happening on the boundary of Iceland, where you can say European and American plate meet, at the boundary of Iceland.